Hi everyone, it's Artis from Man Carpentry. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get a rustic look for timber. In this case it'll be pine. So basically what you need is a grinder with the wire brush. I use battery powered grinder because they're not too aggressive and it's safer. So also you need goggles for safety, and I would say best do it outside because it does obviously create the dust and it would be hard to extract it. So all I got here is a pine board. So I'll show you a bit on the other side how I did it. So you need the clamp, and as with everything, what you have to do, you use grinder and grind with the grain rather than across to achieve that softer grain being taken out and achieve that nice look, even look. So what I'll do now, I'll show you. So as you can see, it gets that nice rustic look because the soft grain has been taken out. Also you can sand it if you like. It will make it slightly flatter depending on what you're using it for. This cutting will be going outside of the property. So after I've done this, I'm gonna have to seal the wood and yeah, and then I'm gonna be putting it on. So I'm not gonna be showing all the process because I don't think it is rocket science. It's just screwing obviously timbers onto the building. So I'll be just replacing the timbers because they have half of them that have gone. So I just thought I will share with you how to achieve fairly easily that rustic look by grinder and wire brush. So my job will be to prepare everything first, and then I will obviously get it prepared, get it treated before I start attaching it to the actual property. But yeah, I just thought I'll share with you. So remember, you need safety goggles. Do it preferably outside if you can. You're gonna need battery powered grinder and a brush. I bought it from Toolstation. So yeah, it's fairly simple. You need a clamp and yeah, be just careful. Go with the grain, don't go across the grain, go with the grain as with everything with sanding, etc. And you'll achieve this sort of look fairly easily. So yeah, I hope it comes handy to someone, and I will catch up you in the next video.